Ever get stuck while studying and even Google can't rescue you? Imagine this, you're studying, hit a problem, and turn to Google. But guess what? Sometimes it feels like Google speaks another language. And you end up even more confused. Or you try asking someone and they're either too busy or take forever to reply. Say hello to StudyGPT. Ready to help whenever you need it. Let's start the process to utilize it. First, search the StudyGPT in your browser. Click on First Result. Click on Add to Chrome. It will add itself. Then open it. And log in with your email. Press Ctrl+I to active. Now open your Study tab. And start studying. Whether you need help understanding a concept, generating ideas, or reviewing material, StudyGPT has got your back. It's like having an expert right at your fingertips. Let me know in the comments how it's transforming your study sessions. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let's ace those exams together.